Hello friends. In a few previous videos, I have an introduction, a backup charger from AVA Plus, which is DS609A. And now, I will also introduce another product from the AVA Plus family, this product is similar to the previous product. But now with this product the value is higher. Compared to previous products, I introduce what does this product have over the previous product? And here is the product's outer box. Above are all the parameters listed for you. Like 10,000 mAh capacity, available level is about 6,000 mAh. The input source uses microcharger and Type-C charger. The output source will use USB. Outside the box, it will have technical specifications. In the front, the box is made transparent, so you can see the product in the back. This is our main product. This product is similar to the previous product, is that it has a matte black color and is partly glossy black. Similar to the above. It will also have for LED lights indicating 100 batteries, meaning each battery level here will represent 25%. This product currently has a medium volume 205 grams, 2.6 centimeters thick, 6.3 centimeters wide and 9.9 centimeters thick. So here it will give you a total of 4 sockets. So here it will have Type-C sockets. And Type-C socket and micro-USB socket will be the input source. That means you will charge the backup charger through these two holes. You will charge your phone by plugging the cord into these two holes. Currently this product has a charging efficiency of 60% and charging efficiency 56% in product DS609A. This backup charger has a charging capacity of about 12 watts, lower than previous product. But for this product, it will have a Type-C hole for you. It's a pretty cheap product if you don't want to invest a lot in a backup charger.